Avocado, a superfood and powerhouse of nutrients with a twist of taste. Avocado Chutney. Hello, friends. Welcome on board Zyka Express. Today, we will take you on a wonderful journey with a twist of taste. Yes, friends, avocado, a superfood and powerhouse of nutrients, as mouth-watering, super delicious chutney. Avocados are a great source of vitamins. It is the only fruit that provides a substantial amount of healthy monounsaturated fatty acids MUFA, also known as butterfruit. Ounce for ounce, they are among the richest in fiber, folate, potassium, vitamin E, and magnesium among all fruits. High fiber content makes it more special as increased fiber intake has also been shown to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and enhance weight loss for obese individuals. It is an amazing food and it has a great and healthy place in any diet. For a journey on board Zyka Express from superfood to super delicious chutney, let's have a quick look at the ingredients. Avocado 1 cup, coriander leaves 1 cup, tomato half cup, onion quarter cup, garlic 1 clove, cumin seeds 1 pinch, lemon juice 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, green chilli 1. For a twist of taste, grind all ingredients, add avocado and grind again. Yes, friends, point to remember is that add avocados at the end after grinding all the ingredients. Serve the yummy, super nutritious chutney with chapati or naan or use in tacos or quesadilla. So, what are you waiting for, dear friends? With this quick and healthy recipe, I am sure you are going to enjoy it with your loved ones in the very next mealtime. Stay happy and healthy and maintain a healthy weight with this quick avocado recipe. Hope you like this video. We welcome your suggestions, comments, and views at Zyka Express. Please subscribe for an amazing journey with twist of taste for best of health and variety. Stay tuned, we are on the way with our next recipe for you. Thank you.